Hey there! Welcome to the video. Today, I'll show you how to quickly copy a WhatsApp group link so you can share it with friends, family, or colleagues. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, this process is super simple. Let's dive in. To start, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and head over to the group chat whose link you want to share. Once you're in the chat, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group settings, where you can find all the details about the group, including media, members, and admin tools. Scroll down until you reach the Participants section. Just above the list of group members, you'll find an option labeled Invite to Group via Link. Tap on it, and you'll see a menu with options to share the link, including copying it, sharing directly, or even creating a QR code. To copy the link, simply tap Copy Link. The group link will instantly be saved to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you like, whether that's a message, an email, or even a social media post. If you ever need to stop people from using the link for privacy reasons, you can easily reset it. Just tap Reset Link in the same menu. This will deactivate the old link and generate a new one, ensuring that only people with the updated link can join. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to copy and share a WhatsApp group link with ease.